Hello, my name is Ragnar and I'm the Performance Director of OptimizaR. I'm now going to give you a short overview of how we approach using lactate testing for run training for runners. Here is the standard test protocol for the running lactate test. We do use Insight for our analysis. We have, before the test, we do weight measurement and warm-up. Then there's 3 runs. The first run is with the intensity of a little bit below the anaerobic threshold. Duration is about 4 to 6 minutes, but that is going to be some distance. Run 2, we do the intensity is approximately above anaerobic threshold, same duration for 4 to 6 minutes for even distance. And then the run 3 is then all out, approximately 2 minutes and 30 seconds all out distance. We do pre-lactate and post-lactate for every run. And in this overview, I'm doing then some cool down between the runs. After the lactate measurements, all the data is going into the Insight analysis. But how can the lactate running test help me as a coach? Well, we have these 4 benchmarks. The first thing, we define the physiological benchmarks, and the physiological benchmarks are the aerobic capacity and the anaerobic capacity, with the VO2 max as the aerobic capacity and the VLR max as the anaerobic capacity. After looking at the physiological benchmarks, we go and look at the definition of a training goal. What kind of distance is the runner running, competing in, and depending on that, and depending also on the physiological benchmarks, you have the increase, decrease, or stabilizing the aerobic or the anaerobic capacities. After defining the training goals, we have to find out what kind of training stimulus is optimal for achieving the training goals. And here have we some recommendations for the lactate and the VO2 max, and also recommendations for the VLR max stimulants. Then after 6 to 12 weeks, then we do a retest and evaluate if the training goals have achieved and how the development of the aerobic and anaerobic capacity has been. For more information, be welcome to take contact to me. I will give you a more detailed explanation if you contact me on Ragnar at optimizar.dk. Have a nice day and good training.